Hi, I'm Shrishti Singh. My register number is UR14CS232. Today we are going to see our experiment of PHP with super global variables. In this we have created 6 of our files, in which two of the files are CSS files and the rest 4 are PHP files. In this we start our index.php. It is same as we use in HTTP, only difference is that in PHP we use echo. And in this we are using our XAMPP to execute a program. The starting is with our doc type HTML head, title are 2 meta tags, link. Over here I'm giving the link for new1.css, which is a CSS file. Now the head of the program, body. Now div element, div class, banner. Now form action is being used because we have to create a form for the web page. Form action and the name of the form and the method. Label. In this label we are using input type as checkbox for both the input type, and the values are given as one value is for t-shirt and the other value is for hoodie, and the prices of the particular product is displayed with the image source and the width and height of the image. Next is used for radio buttons for choosing the type of clothes is needed. Now next is label quantity, input type, text, name, quantity required, the size of it. Now we have to select the size, and option value displays all the size which will be available in the online portal. Now we close our select tag. Label tag is again used for for specifying the color of the product which we need to take. All the colors are specified. And the submit button is there to check how many products have been taken in total and the color and size of the product. For this we close the body tag and HTML tag. Our next is to type of selection we need. The title is given as type selection. Meta tag is used, and the style sheet and link reference to style sheet, type, text, CSS. Now we will be referring to new2.css, that is our next CSS file. Over here we are using JavaScript. We start the script function. Redirect is the name of the function which is specified over here. Window location equal to HTTP localhost web 7. That means this particular link is referred to the next page of the program, next page of the file. That is the next page of the PHP file. Now the script tag is closed. There is style sheet. In style sheet we create tables, table heading, table data with a border. The border is given as solid white. The table is started with a width of 100%, then a table height, table data, and we close a style sheet and head of the program. Now the body tag, this is the syntax for PHP. In the session start, we are posting, we need the details of the customer who needs to buy, and the details of the customer will be their first name, last name, their address, their continuation of the address, city, state, zip file. Zip is actually a postal code, a phone number, email, and the shipment. And the items over here, which item they need, what is the type of the item, size of the item, quantity, color, and the total cost, price. Now in PHP we assign a variables like $, item, $, session, and the item of the name. We use session, post depending on what we need. Now we are calculating a total price, that if our price is 750 or something, then we are using this. Now if we use if condition for having the exact price. If $ item equal to hoodie, then the hoodie price is 750, then the number of quantity into the price, else the t-shirt which is of 500, and the shipping express, how do you need to ship it. If it is express shipping, then it will be 200, and if it is normal shipping, it will be shipment cost will be 50. Now the total is the total plus the shipping price. Now echo is used to print it completely. Over here the echo is used to direct it to the next page for the mode of payment. Over in echo, now over here you can see we are creating tables for item description, quantity, amount, item, C quantity, price. Now we are closing the table tag. Now all the shipping details will be displayed over here along with the total cost. This is my web 7, this is my 3.php. Now we'll go to the next PHP file. In this we are going to see, we are going to verify from the customer the order that they have placed. Now head, title, order placed. The two meta tag is used, style sheet is used. Over here the body of the will contain the margin, font size, text alignment, background size, and the image position, where it will be positioned, and the Z index. And over here the image source is given, that once your order is placed completely, the cart image will be displayed. Now comes our next web PHP file. In this it is related to again new 2.css. Over here the session starts, and we are again using PHP, so it will start, the variables will be declared as $session type $_post type. The same way the type, size, quantity, color, and item of the product is displayed. Now we are entering a shipping information. This is done by using form. In this we are giving the F name, text, last name, text, address to, then our city, state. In the state it will be in a form of a drop box, and it will list the number of states in which the shipment is possible, and it will be our zip code will be available, along with the phone number, email ID, and the shipping. The shipping is done whether it will be express or standard, so radio button is used for that. Now comes our CSS file. A CSS is used to enhance the PHP file that is being used. Over here we are giving the heading 2, text align, center, .banner. .banner is a class that we created back there. Background image, we are giving the background image, a background size, opacity, height, and the body of the background will be of color black. Font width will be bold, font size 22px, and line height 2.5. And in the next CSS again we are doing it for H2. Padding is done, color is given, font weight is given, background, font size, and line height. Now we'll run our code. The running of the code is done by using XAMPP over here. Then only we have to type localhost to get the output. Okay, this is the first page of my for my coding. Over here the t-shirt and hoodie is made known. Over here t-shirt is given. Now you can either select women's and men's. Now you can order the number of quantity. I want 1. The size is also available, like whichever size you want to take, and the color is also available. Now you have to just submit it to it will redirect you to the next page. Now we have to enter our shipping information. Our first name, last name, address, city, zip code, phone number, email ID. Then the shipping express or standard, it is selected for express. You can even select it for standard. I'm using it for express. Continue. Then over here all the details will be mentioned. It is like reviewing the order which we have placed, how much quantity we need, and this is the extra shipping price which we'll take because we chose express. When we confirm our order, it will say thank you, your order has been placed. This is the end of our experiment. Thank you.